On the Sugar Run Homestead site, I always told you I'd show you the good, the bad, the ugly. Well, today we're going to include the stupid in on that. I've been thinking about getting firewood all summer long when it was dry out, but because of building the log cabin building, I wait until it's wet and muddy. As you can see by this video, I was chasing water down the hill dragging logs out for firewood. I don't know if you can see from the mud, but the tires on these Mahindras are turf tires. I picked that so that they wouldn't rip up the yards when I had to do things in the yard, but turf tires don't work too good in swamps. I can tell you, when it comes time to cut this wood up, the chain on my chainsaw is gonna think, how stupid is this guy? I had to put chains on all four tires of the Mahindra to keep going up and down this hill as many times as I needed to get up and down. This is a pretty good hill here to pull the logs through. These 3 logs are actually kind of small logs compared to what I do pull out in the future. But this hill here can be a challenge without chains when it's just muddy. Here was the pile at that point when I got those logs unloaded.